Even though we've got some rain falling right now, which will help disperse smoke, I want to talk about something that a lot of our viewers have emailed our weather team about. What's with all the smoke and haze? Where is it coming from? How long does it stick around? Let's start out with the origin. There's a lot of fires burning across eastern parts of Utah. That's where the Deer Creek fire is, and western Colorado. The largest one statewide is the Turner Gulch fire, which has now scorched more than 15,250 acres. Containment sits at about 34%. The Sow Belly fire, 50% contained, about 2,280 acres, and the South Rim fire, 0% containment, scorching over 4,200 acres. Now, we have seen periods of moderate smoke, certainly some hazy skies over the past few days impacting visibility, but it's good news as we look ahead. We get a little bit of a shift in the wind direction here, and I think that's going to help to blow out some of the smoke, improving air quality across much of Colorado, southern Colorado, I-25. Still, we'll see some light smoke, maybe some occasionally moderate smoke, but certainly by Sunday morning, much of the smoke across the state seems to be much better than what we've seen so far this week. Now, weather-wise, aside from the fires and smoke, it's going to be a typical summer setup this weekend, hot with daily thunderstorm chances, and then really not a whole lot of change looking ahead to next week. We saw a pretty good storm cell coming out of Teller County. It's since weakened quite a bit as it moved east into the foothills. Right now, getting some rain showers from Rockrimmon down to the north side of Springs. That heavier storm cell that impacted Canyon City now moving off to the northeast. Watch out in Fountain. You might see some rain, maybe some thunder here within the next half hour, as well as some light showers and thunderstorms down into parts of Pueblo County. That earlier issued flash flood warning has since been allowed to expire. It looks like any flood threat now dissipating down there out towards the Raton Mesa region, areas around Starkville and Trinidad in southern Los Animas County. Right now in the Springs, raindrops continuing to collect on the camera. It's 82 degrees at the airport sensor, 95 at last check out there in Pueblo. Temperatures really warm for the lower elevations today, and it was warm earlier this afternoon, but now that the rain has moved through, temperatures back down to the 50s in Woodland Park. Here's the setup this weekend. High pressure east of us, low pressure west. That's going to funnel in this subtropical moisture with the best potential for heavier rain near where some of those fires are burning. So that's some good news in the short term, and the potential for some scattered showers and thunderstorms here in the Springs and the Eastern Plains. Now, around the dinner hour tonight, watch out. You might be dodging a few raindrops or thunderstorms. That threat will wind down after sunset tonight, leaving us with pretty comfortable temperatures early Saturday morning. Saturday afternoon, a rinse and repeat pattern. Scattered showers and storms expected to pick up after about 1, 2 o'clock. That threat winds down as we make our way past the dinner hour. Now, rain chances still fairly elevated in the Springs through the weekend. Much lower next Monday and Tuesday, back up towards the middle of next week. All right, overnight lows tonight eventually dropping off to the 50s and 60s. Highs tomorrow pretty much on target with what we saw today. And really not a whole lot of change through the upcoming weekend. Upper 80s with some lower 90s into Monday and Tuesday. And then our next cold front moves in towards Wednesday night, so highs might drop off about 5 to 7 degrees by next Thursday. For Pueblo, upper 90s pretty much here to stay from the weekend into early next week. Highs down to the mid 90s Wednesday and Thursday. Canyon City, a steady diet of 90s in your forecast over the next 7 days. And in Woodland Park, 70s and 80s for daytime highs, 40s and 50s for overnight lows.